Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a knife edge. First, carefully examine your knife's edge to understand the extent of the damage. A quick visual inspection will help you decide if you need a simple touch-up or a more involved repair. This initial assessment is crucial for choosing the right tools and techniques to restore your blade's sharpness effectively and safely. For minor nicks or a dull edge, honing is your first step. Gently run the blade along a honing rod, maintaining a consistent angle, usually around 20 degrees. This realigns the microscopic burr on the edge. Follow up with a leather strop, applying light pressure to further refine and polish the edge, bringing back that keen sharpness. When facing significant chips or a very dull blade, grinding is necessary. Begin with a coarse grit sharpening stone, perhaps a 400 grit, to remove material and reshape the edge. Work slowly and consistently until the chip disappears and a new, even apex is established. Then, gradually move to finer grit stones to refine the edge. To achieve a truly razor-sharp edge, finish with a very fine grit stone, such as a 6,000 or 8,000 grit. This step polishes the edge to an incredibly keen finish. Always test your knife's sharpness safely, perhaps by slicing a piece of paper. Remember, regular light honing and stropping will keep your knife in top condition, minimizing the need for major repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.